Okay, so this is an interesting video of the finished installation of the LED strip. I really could not get a good mounting point for the camera, so I just figured I'd do it handheld. And it's really challenging to get lighting into a closet without disturbing the thing that's producing the lighting, that is the strip. So I aimed the LED light up so that this thing wouldn't turn on, so we can get a good view of it without me having to go and turn it off, which is pretty easy. But anyways, here it is, just mounted to the ceiling with that Velcro command strip, and it's holding very nicely. And then what I did is, toward the end of that last video, I was taping together and twisting the wiring. And you can see, I'm going to zoom in here just so we get a little closer look. I end up using clear command hooks. Nice and simple to route the wiring. In hindsight, I could have did it with all white wiring and just kind of ticked off the wires so I knew which one was the positive and negative, so you didn't see that. But I kind of like the way that looks. Anyway, there it is running down the wall. And it comes to the battery box, which is right there. And I added a little loop so that I could grab the box and take it off of there. And so let me excuse the shaky cam and the sound of, am I even close? This is weird looking at the camera. And let me see if I can turn this back out here a little bit. Just edit all this. So here's the box. Box is mounted to the wall with the two strips that I attached. But I ended up flipping it around. I think I mentioned it in the third part, that I flipped it around so I could just lift this up and pull it away, and then there's the batteries right there, which is, I don't know. I didn't really plan it that way, it just kind of happened. So that way you're pulling the batteries out, you can pull them off easily, you're not trying to like fiddle with them, especially in a closet where this wall is facing the outside of the closet. So there's not a lot of room to be manipulating things around in here. And this whole thing is just basically out of the way, unless you're really looking for it to see, oh, there's lighting up there or anything like that. So anyways, that's the installation. It's working really well. It's been about, what are we talking now? I think we're up to about a month now since I installed this. Let me flip the light back. There's no sign of the batteries wearing out, and I'm expecting at least 2 months, if not 2.5 months of runtime based on its usage. So that is easily almost 2 times more than the original 3 watt-hour cell that was in there.